Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stroke using Canva Pro. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then simply type in www.canva.com and simply log into your own account and open up the design that you'd like to edit. So let's say I would like to edit this image and add a stroke to this image. So let's say I'd like to select this one, then simply click on the BG remover from here, and here you can see that the BG remover is already working and the background is already been removed. Then select on it, then click on the edit option from the top navigation bar, and it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. And you have to just simply scroll down. Here you have to choose the shadows from the effects option. From here choose shadow, then scroll down and click on the outline, and from here you can just simply click on the size. Here you can see the stroke is already adding. Here you can see, and you can also change the color. So let's say I would like to go for the red, and here let's say I would like to go for the red here, and here you can see the red is already changed to here. You can also change the intensity like this. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.